Let us check out with the sixth problem here. The HCF of 5, 7, 9, 5 into 7 into 9 into 11 into 13 and 9 into 11 into 13 into 17 they have given, which we are supposed to find out. Let us check out here. Right here, to start working on it, here this is going to be the first number 5 into 7 into 9 into 11 into 13. The second one is 9 into 11 into 13 into 17. Right, now this is first number and this is second number. You have to select the common terms or common numbers only. Right, see, are common factors only. See here 5, it's not there, leave it. 7 is also not there. 9 is here, so take this 9 and as well as 9. Right, 11 is here also, take 11. Right, 13 here also, take 13. So the HCF of these two numbers is 9 into 11 into 13. Option C is the right one. So you can go with the division method also, but for that you need to multiply and then you need to work out it. Right, but see, anyway they are given in terms of factorization, so in terms of factors only, so directly you can choose it. Right, in case of LCM you have to select, even though it is not a common one, so you can take, but here you have to choose only the common terms.